Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of integration, and if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question says that the integral of 2x cube minus 1 over x raised to 4 plus x dx, this is equal to what, where c is given to us, that is the constant of integration. So that is given to us, and if I talk about the answer choices which is given to us, it says log of mod of x cube plus 1 upon x square to the base e plus c. Second option given to us here is half of log of mod of x cube plus 1 upon x square to the base e plus c. Third option given to us here is log of mod of x cube plus 1 upon x to the base e plus c. And the last option given to us here is half log to the base e x cube plus 1 the whole square over mod of x cube plus c. So we have four answer choices and we need to figure out which one is the correct answer choice for the question given to us. So let's see. Now if I see here the question, it says integral of 2x cube minus 1 over x cube x raised to 4 plus x dx. So what I can do here is if I try to solve this integral, I observe here that when I substitute, if I substitute this as t, I get this as 4x cube plus 1. But here we have instead of that minus 1. So the better idea to solve this question here is, I see that if I divide throughout by x squared, let's see what I get. Now I'm dividing throughout by x squared because if I see when I divide this by x squared, this will become x square, and if I substitute that as t, I will have 2x as the derivative present in the numerator, because 2x cube upon x square will give you left out here as 2x. So the derivative of x square is directly present, that is 2x. So what I'm doing here is I am dividing both my numerator and denominator by x square. So what does your equation then become? It becomes 2x cube upon x square, that is x, minus 1 over x square, that is x raised to minus 2, upon denominator, if you see, it becomes x square plus x over x square, that is x raised to minus 1. So you have this entire thing. Now if you substitute your denominator as t, so let's put x square plus x raised to minus 1 is equal to t. I'm substituting now it as t because I know the derivative of x square is directly present 2x. So if I see 2x and then x raised to minus 1, that is minus 1 x raised to minus 2. The whole thing dx is equal to dt. So actually I see now my entire numerator got adjusted when I divided both numerator and denominator by x squared. So 2x minus x raised to minus 2 dx is equal to dt. So if I substitute that in my integral, it becomes integral dt over t. So you get that as log of mod of t plus c. So if I resubstitute, I get that as log of mod of t. Here in this case, we have put it as x square plus x raised to minus 1. So you get x square plus x raised to minus 1 plus c. Now once you have this, if I try to see my answer choices, none of my answer choices are in that form of log of x square plus x raised to minus 1. So if I try to simplify this idea, x raised to minus 1, if I try to write it, I can write that as x square plus 1 over x to the base e plus c. So that gives me log to the base e. This becomes x cube plus 1 over x plus c. So I get this answer. Now if I try to match my answer choices, if I have any, so it matches with log of x cube plus 1 over x to the base e plus c. So I get the answer to the question which was asked to us, and that matches with option C. So this turned out to be a pretty easy question once you understood that you have to divide by x square in the first step. So if I understand that my denominator, if I put it as t, and my numerator turns it into a derivative of that t. So for that, I divided by x squared, so it becomes 2x, and the first term becomes x squared. So the derivative of x squared directly gets adjusted 2x. Once I adjusted that, the other actually got adjusted automatically, and I got the entire numerator as my derivative of the denominator. So that gave me the answer, and it matches with option C. So C becomes the correct answer for the question given to us from this topic of integration. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of substituting the denominator to get the derivative in the numerator. So that is the idea that we have used in the question. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on 11th, 12th, as well as JEE. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.